Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shanika, and in this video I will be doing a review on the Fenty Hair Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner and the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. So if you want to know more about that and see how I got these results, then keep on watching. But before you do, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of my future video uploads. Now let's get right into it. Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. It's 11.5 fluid ounces. They have two pictures on the back to depict how to use the deep conditioner, as well as a QR code where you can actually go to the website and find out more details on the deep conditioner, what's in it, how to use it, all of that good stuff. And then on the top, just kind of show you how the ridges look. So the scents that I saw on the deep conditioner is the warm ambery floral. It has like wild mango. Another ingredient they talk about is the Replenacort 5. To me, it smells floral and like a little kind of a salon scent. And then the thickness of the deep conditioner is a very thick deep conditioner. It's not budging even when you turn it. And then the cap is just a quick close, open and close cap. It's a nice little cap. The shampoo and conditioner packaging are like pump bottles. They do have like different pattern ridges at the top of them, and the body of it is like, it reminds you of a spray can, like one of those holding sprays that you spray, or like an aerosol spray can. That's kind of how the body of it is. This video is sponsored by Beauty Enhancing You. Beauty Enhancing You is a company that I created. Its mission is to provide products that will become staples in our customers' self-care routines and aid them in enhancing their natural beauty. Beauty Enhancing You wants our beauties to love themselves as they are. In addition, we want them to create self-care regimens to take care of and improve themselves in a healthy way. Beauty Enhancing You is coming soon, and I will keep you guys posted on when there is a specific launch date, and I'll post that in the community tab, as well as you guys can keep up with Beauty Enhancing You through Instagram at Beauty Enhancing You. So stay tuned. More information about it will be coming soon. My thoughts on the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. This is my third time using it, so I'm going to be telling you about my experiences, and we'll start with the shampoos. In using the shampoo, I realized you're not really going to get as much lather until the second wash, which I think is true for most shampoos. But I did realize that if I rinse my hair a little bit more under the water on the first time around before I put in the initial shampoo, then it does lather a bit more on the first time, but not as much as the second time, of course. Next point would be when I rinsed it out, like how clean was my hair, how did my hair feel stripped, or did it still have moisture? So basically my hair both times did not feel stripped. I wouldn't say it was completely moisturizing all the way, like still had a lot of moisture like I would see with some other moisture shampoos, but it was in between. It wasn't too stripped and it wasn't like extremely moisturized, and I think that was okay because it says moisture repair, so some parts of it's not just a complete just moisture shampoo. So I think that could be why it's more of like on the in-between side, which was fine for me. Going on to how clean the hair was, my hair was definitely cleaned. I just did 2 shampoos. My hair was clean, it felt clean. Things that I would compare the shampoo with, like other shampoos, would be like the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair shampoo is probably in that same kind of price range. For that shampoo though, I will say that this Fenty hair shampoo is a little more moisturizing than that shampoo. I think that shampoo is more stripping and strips more of the moisture moisture is off the hair when you do use it. I do like it, however, and I kind of see it more as like a cleansing, clarifying one, although it is supposed to have some moisture to it. I don't think my hair is completely dried out, but it's more dried out than I'd like it to be. So I find that it acts more, for me anyway, as a clarifying shampoo. For a lower price point comparison, the only thing that comes to mind is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafira Oil moisturizing shampoo. Now that shampoo, as it says, it's just moisturizing. It's not a moisture repair one. So I don't really have any that I can recall that's moisture and repair on the lower end price point. But that shampoo, although it's just moisturizing, is really good. It's a holy grail for me. And I can detangle with that as a shampoo if I wanted to, and it doesn't leave the hair stripped. It actually does, your hair still does feel moisturized as it implies. So the Fenty Hair Moisture Repair Conditioner, my tips on using the conditioner is to make sure you thoroughly coat it throughout your hair. The first time I didn't coat it as much, but I still felt a lot of moisture and everything once I rinsed it out. And the second time I did section my hair more and try to coat it more throughout my hair, and I really did see a difference. The difference was my hair felt more moisturized to the touch, just the feeling of it, and when it was dried to the point of just being a little damp for me to style my hair, it was more manageable. I can feel that it was so soft. My hair parted really easily during styling, and I was able to style my hair a little faster because I didn't have to do too much detangling or anything like that. I do think it's very moisturizing and it do its job as a conditioner for you and for what you want for your hair. If I were to compare it, the B.E.Y, just like I was comparing the shampoo to that, their Don't Despair Repair conditioner, that conditioner is really moisturizing. That conditioner I actually like more than the Fenty hair conditioner, with the way how my curls just like pop, and the moisture, and the way I can really easily detangle through with it once it's saturated in my hair. Like, oh, I love that. But I will say the Fenty hair one is nothing to sleep at either. It also does really well, but I do think the B.E.Y in this case for the conditioner wins over the Fenty hair, whereas with the shampoo, I think Fenty hair shampoo kind of wins on the moisture side more than the B.E.Y one does. But you know, every brand and product are going to have its strengths and weaknesses. They're going to have something that you like a little more about that one than the other one. Overall, I really liked the Fenty hair moisture repair shampoo and conditioner. I think they did a really good job on my hair. I just also wanted to be able to give you guys some comparisons just in case you wanted to know. And I figured B.E.Y is more like closer in the price range, so that's kind of what I thought. Okay, why not use that as something to compare it to? But yeah, I think I would recommend them. I would recommend you to try them. Again, everybody's hair is going to react and feel differently than somebody else's. In terms of seeing the repair aspects, that's something that would have to be used over time to really see that, and if it really is doing much repair. But I think it's really, again, moisturized my hair, cleansed my hair, and made my hair like feel soft and manageable to then go to the next steps on styling. So those are good checks in my book. I hope you try it, and you know, you can always come back to the comments and let me know how that worked for you, or if you already have tried it, let me know. So the star of the show, the Fenty Hair, the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. It says ultra loaded with moisture to soften, repair, prevent damage, plus split ends. The texture of the product is very thick. So when I put it on, my hair is damp initially, and then I would put on the product, and most times I spray in between just to help the product kind of like smooth on my hair and spread throughout my hair. And with this product, I just kind of felt like I needed to put a little bit more. I think it was like penetrating through my hair faster than I typically would see with a thicker deep conditioner. So that's why I kind of felt like I needed to put a little more, I believe. But it did give me the slip. I was able to detangle with it. So when I rinsed it out, my hair was really soft. I always try to test the elasticity with my hair and see how, like, if I pull the hair, how does the curl bounce back? Also just noticing and seeing how my hair shrinks up, whether it was really shrunken up or not. So that's also another thing that I look at. I did have some elasticity with that. I do believe, like, you know what, my hair did, like, my curls were bouncing back as I pulled them. They do bounce back nicely, so I liked that. I think this deep conditioner did what it was supposed to do. It really gave my hair moisture, and it made it soft and more manageable. So, you know, and when I say more manageable, I just mean, like, you know, easier for you to, you know, part through your hair, and then you section it, and just it's soft enough, already detangled enough to just go ahead and, like, style it and not have trouble with styling. Like, you don't have to worry about, oh, well, while I'm styling, I'm also detangling. Although, you know, a little detangle, I think I always end up detangling a little bit throughout every step. I think that just comes with the territory of having, like, curly coily hair. But you don't want to, there's a difference between, like, thoroughly sitting there and, like, oh my gosh, my hair's tangled, and detangling, versus, like, a light kind of detangle, because some curls or stuff, like, you know, wrapped on each other or something like that as you're moving through the hair or whatever, you know. Yeah, I like this deep conditioner. I would recommend this to anyone. I think it did a good job for what it was supposed to do. I'm looking forward to using more of it and getting towards the end of it and finishing this off and seeing how I feel with as I continue to use it. How does my hair feel? How is my hair and everything? I definitely would, as of this point, repurchase this and use this again. And I do like how the packaging is and everything. So, you know, let me know in the comments if you've tried this before, if it's something that you would purchase again if you already did try it and buy it, or if it's something you would like to purchase and you're looking into. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment your thoughts down below, and like this video with your friends and family. Share this with them as well, so that if you've gotten value, they can also get value out of this video too as well. I will have 2 of the videos come up on the screen toward the end, and also have some videos that are recommended in the description box down below. You can just click those links to those videos. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you in that next video. Bye.